Thank you for joining our Get Comfortable series, and today's presentation is part of our English Shorts videos. This is video 2, Denotative versus Connotative. Hi, I'm your host, Virginia Castleman, and this brief bio will explain about our program and what I do. But now that I have you here, let's get started. Let's begin by defining the terms denotative and connotative. The root word of denotative is denote, or stands for, and reflects the concrete dictionary meaning. Definition 1 is in contrast to the feelings or ideas of a word, the literal or primary meaning that the word suggests. Definition 2 is the object or concept to which a term refers, or the set of objects of which a predicate or base is true. Now let's define the term connotative. The root word of connotative is connote, or implies, and reflects what a word or phrase suggests or hints at. Connotation is used to evoke emotion or a specific response. But you want to be careful of the use of synonyms, as words that seem similar can mean very different things. Let's look at this example of the difference between denotative and connotative. Denotative. The witch trials in 1692 took place in the Puritan regions of New England. Connotative. Witches are evil. In this example, a negative connotation has been added to witches for effect. When writing college essays, you'll likely use a combination of denotative and connotative techniques. Denotative will relate to your facts and resources and is often used to add credibility to your work, as well as to argue for something you believe in. Connotative will relate to your interpretation of quotes and your discussion about a topic or view, and is used to add an emotional element to your work, so you want to look at the chart on ethos, logos, and pathos. Connotation is used to persuade readers to take an action with regard to your topic. Here are some walkaway points on denotative and connotative to consider. Denotative and connotative approaches are two powerful techniques one can use when writing college essays. Denotative reflects what a word, phrase, or idea stands for and is most often used to show credibility, resources, and statistics that reflect cold, hard facts. Connotative is used to draw readers in emotionally. By adding one simple but powerful word such as evil or effective or exceptional or worthless, one can inject a specific feeling or tone or effect on the sentence or topic that can persuade a reader to look at the topic differently. One can use one or both of these techniques in an essay for effect. Synonyms are words that can replace other words. However, be careful of inserting what you believe to be a word that's analogous to another word when in fact it means something entirely different. Here are examples of words that people mix up. Discriminatory, prejudicial. Discriminatory refers to making unfair distinctions about an individual or group, especially as it relates to gender, race, or religion, whereas prejudicial is harboring a bias about someone or something. Historic, historical. Historic refers to an important event, whereas historical refers to something that happened in the past. Thank you again for joining our Get Comfortable With series, and look for more presentations on how to master the craft of writing. Feel free to email me with any questions you may have about writing and storytelling, and if I don't know the answer, I'll find someone who does. See you soon.